Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure power and software won't interrupt pairing. Charge the case and earbuds, update your iPad, then turn Bluetooth on. Close any other devices that might auto-connect so the headphones can be discovered. Open the Sony case to wake the earbuds. The indicator shows they're active. Once done, put the earbuds in the case and press, and hold the pairing button on the case until the LED blinks. This forces the WF-1000XM4 into pairing mode so the iPad can find them. On your iPad, go straight to Settings, then Bluetooth. You'll see WF-1000XM4 appear in available devices. Tap the name to initiate pairing and accept any confirmation that appears. This exchanges the keys so audio flows. Wait until the status shows connected. Make sure media volume is up. Once connected, install or open Sony headphones, connect to complete firmware updates and customize noise canceling, touch gestures, and EQ. Doing this ensures the earbuds behave predictably and get the latest fixes. Finish by playing audio to confirm left and right channels and inspect latency or dropouts. Switch apps and volume to verify consistent output. Make any gesture or noise canceling tweaks in the Sony app so controls match your habits. If pairing fails or audio stutters, first toggle Bluetooth on the iPad and forget the WF-1000XM4 entry, then attempt pairing again. If that still fails, perform a factory reset on the earbuds by long pressing the case pairing button for about 15 seconds, then retry pairing from the top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.